Hi, I'm Justin from RGBlink and I'm here at ISE on the first day of the show. Great to be here, and I'd like to introduce our D4 4K presentation processor and switch. Great new product from RGBlink, supporting up to 4K 60 inputs on either HDMI, DisplayPort or 12G SDI, and it outputs your standard out to HDMI 2 with the option there of DisplayPort 1.2 as well. So you get 2 channels or 8K by 2K of output. Fully modular design with the product, as we have with many of the RGBlink products. And new firmware we're showing here at the show especially is now supporting 4K video layers, 4K at 60 to 4K output there, just on a compact 1U presentation switch. Great solution for anyone looking to upgrade their presentation processing up to 4K, particularly at 60 frames. And come along and see us here at the show, of course. We're at 12K 80, or check us out on the web, www.rgblink.com. Thank you.